So don't forget that this is a community event, okay? It's not about you. Don't say about, oh, we're so excited to present this. Tell people what about the event makes you excited. Tag people. I'm really excited for this person's talk. I'm really excited for Sajid's event, right? Like, big up the other people who are involved. This is a community. Be excited to see them. You know, don't be that bore. Half of LinkedIn messages could be deleted if only someone had spoken it out loud to someone and realized how cringe it was. If I have to say to someone, hey, we're really excited to talk about leveraging our, just shut up. Like, be part of a community. See what the conversation is online. There's only, you know, even your most popular post has mostly been viewed by the same audience you get most of the time. But if you can collaborate with someone, tag someone, say why you're excited to see their talk, look at who's talking, look at the brain dates, look at the speakers, look at their bios, and say something about them, you become part of the conversation rather than just another person handing out flyers in the shopping mall. Okay. So get involved. And also, people, for some reason, just think of social media as posting, but most of the conversation these days happens in the comments. So get involved, get active. Just realize that you can get so much more return on an event, return on investment from an event, from the people who don't go to the event. If your only focus is the people that happen to walk by your booth, you're missing out on such a bigger picture, a bigger opportunity here. There are millions of people who will watch for Atlassian updates with, you know, some interest, not avid, right? The nerds are all in the room. But there are a lot of people in the broader Atlassian space who it does affect their working life, who will follow an exciting post, or if they see something trending, will see it in their LinkedIn feed. They may not engage with it, but they'll see it. Incidentally, it's a really good time to boost your advertising spend is during an event, because Google does look at the contents of emails and sees who's getting emails about the Atlassian ecosystem and uses that information to refine its audience and improve its algorithm. So it's a really good time to triple your ad spend, just because the targeting gets better and better. Google has, all of the data. It promises us it doesn't use it, and it definitely doesn't. But the reason why it's $1 trillion company. And I just love the idea that during an event, the harder your competitors email their customer list, the more that they see your ads. I just love that as a gambit. So yeah, there's a lot to be done on social media. Don't just talk about yourself. Try and be funny, but not everyone can be funny, and that's okay. Be yourself. You will find your crowd of nerds. If you're dark and sarcastic, be that. That's fine, right? If you're deeply cynical of the Atlassian space, be that. You'll find your tribe too. Just be yourself. Get involved in the social conversation. Get stuck in. And don't just say, spam people with, hey, let's meet at my booth. Ask people where they're going. Ask people if there's any after parties.